Yep, trout. I kind of want to keep it in the water. Water's really warm. Warm, buddy. We got him. There we go, guys. Nice try. The water temp is really warm today, so I want to kind of get this guy up, in and out. There we go. Perfect. Let's get him in there. Our water temp is 71 degrees. 72. That's warm for trout. Let's go. With the fly rod today at the river, and we have a live bait too. So we want to see if we can get some trout today. Go. He hit that hard. This is why I always have to go chase for them. There he is. Water. He's coming up. This feisty little guy. There he comes. He's coming down right into the net. Nice. This guy hit it hard. What a nice little guy. Get him hooked quick and released. Okay. We'll get him released, guys. There we go. Parkour. Nice, nice. Man, that's a nice one there. He hooked himself on that one. There we go. That's a nice one. Get him back in. Nice. There we go. Ooh, yes. That's a spider. Look at that thing. Well, you can't see it. There it is. Watch out. Boom, boom. Trout food. There we go. We'll get him on the release. There we go, guys. Get him in. There he goes. Nice. Nice. You know, they're good for a freaking 70-degree temp water. Actually, over 70 degrees. I put a split shot on. Second cast, got one. That is 3 at this hole, and that's a limit. Actually, I could have had freaking 7 bite now, which is actually really good. See, a little split shot makes a difference. Oh, he's out already. Whoop. Nice. There he goes. See, a split shot makes a big difference. Got live bait now. Usually this hole I like to use live bait. Hey. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to get this guy unhooked. I almost lost. There we go. I'm gonna get him unhooked. This thing's fighting good. He's freaking running. That's so cool. This fish is fighting good. See him taking runs like that? I know. All right, there you go. What a fight. What a good fighter. Get him back in. He'll be fine. Maybe he'll go by you and you'll get him. Came up in 8. Wow. What a freaking fish. You see that? There he goes. Is that brown? What is that? It is? Yeah. All right, there you go. Teamwork makes the dream work. That's a nice brown. There we go. There's my brown. Typical brown hitting like a freaking freight train. Beautiful fish. Get back in. There we go. Nice. Let's go. That's a trout. I see the silver. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It's a nice one. Oh. Nice little fatty rainbow. There he goes. Nice. It's a nice rainbow. I was very shocked I even hooked this fish. Nice rock in there. Nice, nice. That's a nice fish. That's the nicest one of the day right there. Getting back in, guys. What a nice trout. Really nice fish. That's how you get them, guys. Fly fishing summertime. Fishing these holes. It was right by that rock. Right there. You gotta really fish for it this time of year. Live bait and flies is the key. Head shaking. That's a nice one too. Very nice one. Take your time walking out with these fish. He's done. Oh yeah, he engulfed that. That's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Back to back, like nice 15 inches. Let's go. Whoa. Yep. Whew. Yo. He's coming at me too. He wants to come to me. There he is. Little guy. There we go. It's a nice pretty fish. Look at that guy. I'm gonna get him on hook, guys. This fast water is very good for these trout. There you go, nice. It's a nice one. There we go, nice, nice, let's go. Right after that fish. This is a decent one too. This fast water, guys, is vital for this time of year. Keeps these trout alive too, which is good. Oh yeah, he engulfed that. I'm gonna get this one on hook, guys. He engulfed this one pretty good. That's a nice trout. Cromer. Get him on hook, guys. Very nice fish. See where that whitewater is? Those pockets hold a lot of fish. I mean, hold 1 to like almost 10 fish, but it depends, and some might not hold any, but they're really good this time of year. A lot of oxygen flowing. That's why it's good this time of year. Gonna fish a little bit more. I don't know if I'm gonna catch anything now. That skinny one might be the last one of the day, but overall great day of trout fishing in late July. And a really good day. That is it for today, guys. A great day of trout fishing, especially this late in July. Like, water temp's really warm. Using flies. I used my spinning rod once and caught only 1 trout, but I'm glad I did really good on the fly today. That's how I get them. Summertime, that's a good way of getting them fishing at. Kind of a little bit rougher water, big holes, and yeah, it's really good. Fun action today, really good. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.